Good afternoon, investors, and welcome to Nifty BN. We're breaking down the latest earnings release from Kirloskar Pneumatic, which has just reported its numbers for Q2 FY26. And it looks like a challenging quarter. Kirloskar Pneumatic, or KPCL, has announced a decline in profit for the second quarter. The company is attributing this to a significant, quote, marked slowdown in project execution and clearances, which has impacted both its top-line sales and overall profitability. Taking a closer look at the numbers, this bar graph shows the revenue from operations for the quarter. It came in at 378 crore rupees, which is a noticeable drop from the 431 crores reported in the same quarter last year. This slowdown has directly hit the bottom line. The KPI grid shows profit before tax, or PBT, for Q2 stood at 57 crore rupees, down sharply from 92 crores year-on-year. Consequently, profit after tax, or PAT, also fell to 43 crores from 68 crores last year. Margins were also under pressure. The company's EBITDA margin compressed to 17%, down from 23% in Q2 of the previous fiscal. This led to a basic earnings per share of just 6 rupees and 65 paise, a steep fall from 10 rupees and 42 paise last year. Looking at the half-yearly picture, the trend continues. As these two charts show, H1 revenue from operations for FY26 was 650 crores, down from 706 crores. Similarly, the half-year profit before tax also saw a decline, landing at 94 crore rupees compared to 128 crores in H1 of FY25. However, it's not all negative. The company highlighted a silver lining. Its order book has actually grown. It now stands at 1,667 crore rupees, which is an increase from 1,624 crores at the beginning of the year, as shown on the chart. KPCL also shared its forward-looking strategy. It's pushing to commercialize new intellectual property, noting its Tezcatlipoca compressor has already crossed the 100-unit mark. More significantly, the board has approved applying for a PLI scheme to enter the massive commercial air conditioning market, a space valued at over 5,000 crore rupees. This new venture is slated for setup within the next 18 months. So, to recap, Kirloskar Pneumatic faced a very challenging Q2, with clear execution delays hitting its profits. The focus now seems to be on long-term growth, supported by a healthy growing order book and a major strategic pivot into the commercial AC market.
Disclaimer: this update is for informational purposes only and is not a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before making any investment decision.